Umiko, a sustainable skincare line based on the invasive seaweed species Sargassum muticum. Hello, we are Team Alchemista, and today we are presenting Umiko, an innovative skincare aimed to impact not only the skin, but our environment. Currently, Umiko has two skincare products, a cleanser and a moisturizer. The main ingredient of Umiko's products is Sargassum muticum, commonly known as Japanese wireweed. Plaguing the coasts of Japan, China, Europe, and America, this species of seaweed has a high growth rate with a capacity for self-fertilization. Wherever it goes, Sargassum muticum dominates native species, hindering local flora and fauna from flourishing. The species' success can be attributed to its extremely rapid rate of reproduction, as well as potential to grow up to 8 feet in length. The species' vast cover makes it extremely difficult for solar energy to penetrate past the surface of the ocean and to sustain the photosynthetic potential in our oceans. Their impact on our local ecosystem is further exacerbated due to current global issues, such as overfishing and pollution, which allows them to thrive by preying on vulnerable native organisms. By harvesting Sargassum muticum, we can reverse the harm we have contributed and help protect native organisms through introducing our new skincare product. Our mission at Team Alchemista is not only to produce a green, sustainable product, but to also follow L'Oreal's commitments. These commitments include respecting biodiversity and using ingredients and formulas that are bio-based and are derived from abundant minerals.
The global skincare market is constantly demanding products that delay visual aging as well as assist the skin's repair capacity. Many of the products in the market with these benefits are inefficient and have been proven to be related to allergic reactions, disruption of the endocrine system, phototoxicity, and negative environmental effects. The integration of Sargassum muticum into skincare products is essential for environmental sustainability as well as the safety of our skin. Successful extraction of the beneficial skincare properties of Sargassum muticum begins with the collection of the seaweed. It is then able to be freeze-dried and ground into a fine powder. The powder can be extracted with a mixture of ethanol to water, which will result in a hydroalcoholic fraction. This fraction can be suspended in hot water, cooled, and filtered. A mixture of diethyl ether and ethyl acetate are best to use to separate the water-soluble fraction at this point. 5 fractions would result from this partition, which would have varying skincare benefits associated with each of them. Umiko's innovative benefits come from the special properties derived from Sargassum muticum. Its photoprotective potential and antioxidants reduce skin inflammation and protect cells from UV radiation and pollution. It has anti-enzymatic properties that are anti-aging and can create a brighter and more youthful-looking skin. Specifically, the species has inhibited the action of the following enzymes: hyaluronidase, which is responsible for the degradation of elastin, tyrosinase, which is related to dark spot pigmentation, collagenase, which is cartilage destruction, and elastase, which decreases skin elasticity. It has antimicrobial properties that can help balance the epidermal biota to combat acne while also extending the product's shelf life. Besides these uses as a therapeutic agent, it can also be used in the place of a chemical stabilizer or emulsifier, which can typically be harsh on sensitive skin and cause irritation. Sargassum muticum has been concluded to not contain any pro-inflammatory effects.
The current market for skincare is growing at a rapid rate. According to the 2018 L'Oreal report, in comparison to the global cosmetics market increase of 5.5%, the skincare market had grown 9%. Following this, the L'Oreal report noted that 55% of the skincare is from Pacific Asia. From this report, our targeted demographic for Umiko will be Asia Pacific and in turn North America. According to BeautyTap, there has been a rise of Asian beauty, most notably K-beauty, on Western trends. With the emergence of K-pop and K-dramas, brands have seen an uptick in interest after working with popular K-pop idols as seen in YSL signing Blackpink's Rosé as their ambassador. Marketing Umiko toward Pacific Asia allows L'Oreal to profit from the majority of consumers of the skincare market. What makes Umiko desirable to Pacific Asian consumers is the promotion of the anti-aging properties and UV protection. Pacific Asia has been previously ranked worst globally in terms of PM10 concentration, and Umiko helps aid the skin of consumers through its beneficial properties. The accessibility of Sargassum muticum allows there to be a constant supply for manufacturing. Sargassum muticum's high growth rate and capacity for self-fertilization allows for further supply when farming seaweed. Furthermore, L'Oreal's collaboration with Cargill has current practices in place for supplying a variety of seaweed. This makes it possible to produce Umiko since the main infrastructure is already in place. Umiko has all the most desired properties found in skincare and more, while being sustainable and a green product that can help protect the environment and vulnerable populations. With skincare products having a large growing audience and a rising popularity, Umiko is sure to succeed.